walk through how I create my listings in Etsy using the 2 designs that I created last week. The first design is of a philodendron burl marks, and you guys voted for this one on a Twitter poll. And then the second design is of my plant cabinet in honor of the project I had earlier this month. I'm quite happy with the way they turned out. After repeatedly changing my mind on how I wanted them to look, I'm pretty pleased with the outcome. Like I said in my last video, I want to do a more cartoon style drawing and incorporate brighter colors due to the spring season. I wanted the 2 prints to be related, hence why they have a similar drawing style, and one print has the moon while the other has the sun. If you like these prints, feel free to visit my Etsy shop. Both prints are on there right now, and if you use the promo code Let's Grow Together before May 31st, you can get 15% off your order store-wide. With that being said, let's get into these listings. So the first thing I do after I finish a design on my iPad is I send it to my computer and begin working on the listings. Since I have a production partner, I make my listings on their website, which is integrated with my Etsy shop. Production partners like Printful are a great way to turn your Etsy shop into a stream of passive income. Once someone places an order for one of my prints, Printful receives the order and begins putting the digital design on a poster using the Gisli method and ships the print straight to the customer. This allows for a faster delivery time, lower upfront costs from starting a business since I don't have to spend money on supplies and equipment, and it gives me more time to focus on designing new prints. In Printful, navigate to the Stores tab, find your store, select Add Product, and create your listing. Printful offers a variety of customizable products from t-shirts to stickers to art prints and so much more. Since these are art prints, I click the Home and Living drop-down menu and then select the Posters tab under the Wall Art section. Then I choose the Enhanced Matte Paper Poster in inches. Next, I choose the dimensions that I want to sell my product in and add the digital design I wish to use. Then I repeat the process for the second print. After creating the listings, Printful generates mock-ups to choose from. I choose my favorites and move on to the product information and pricing sections. Printful gives me a breakdown of how much each size print would cost. One thing that it does not factor is the shipping cost and the fee that Etsy charges per sale. Once I factor that in, I adjust my pricing accordingly. Once I'm done, I click Submit to Store. After filling in the relevant product information and pricing my listings, I can then import the listing to my Etsy shop, where I then double check to make sure that the information is correct and I fill in any missing fields. Once that is complete, the listings are ready to go live. I hope you enjoyed watching me create these listings for my shop. If you're interested in buying any of these prints, feel free to visit my Etsy shop, and don't forget to use the discount code Let's Grow Together for 15% off your purchase store-wide. Thank you for watching, and let's grow together.
that was going to take an hour.
We're not done. That's just
10 minutes.
That's